Good morning and welcome back, children. Here again we are back with your English 2 class. Okay, today we are going to do the book exercise of Trip to Mars. Children, before I start my class, I am having some general information to give you all. First and foremost things, yes, you all have to maintain your copy. I am attaching the PDF of the previous lessons. Whatever I have given you all before, like for the first term, all those lesson question answers I have already attached in your PDF. First point. Second point, maybe there is an expectation that there will be a written exam. So, in that case, you don't just give up the question answers. Like there will be an optional answers. So, what is the use of learning all the question answers and all these things? No, children. You have to learn the question answers this time, and maybe in case if it comes objective also, then also there will be no problem. I don't think so, because the answers are covering the book exercises. But if there will be a written exam, then you will have a problem, because you are mentally prepared for the objective question and answers. So that is why learn the answers, maintain your copy. Very soon your copies are going to be collected, and maybe the marks will be allotted for it. So you start doing your work right from now. I'm sending it and I'm keep on telling you that complete your copy work, but some of you have still not completed. So please do complete your copy work. Second point is this. Okay, now from my third point is that from the next time onwards, I will write down the question answers on the board in the class, and after I finish all my answers, like if you see in Trip to Mars, there are 6 answers, right? So today I will do the book exercise. Then after that I'll stop. We'll start with the writing the question answers. Okay. So the lessons which we have completed before, like wonderful gift was there in this term. Then your 7 snowmen was there. So we'll start writing down the answers of those. Okay. After completing like one set of question answers of one lesson I have completed. Along with that, I am going to, at the end of my class of all the question answers, I will attach the PDF of those answers also. In case my video is not clear, or any part of it you can't see, or any point is not clear to you, any word is not clear to you, so you can just check your answers, because when I am giving your PDF, it is becoming very hard for you to complete your PDF along with the everything. So in that case, I'm just planning out in this way that I will give you 2 answers or 3 answers in the class, and after finishing that lesson's question answers, I will attach the PDF also. Is it clear to you all? Either PDF or screenshot, whatever is convenient for me. Okay, children? So this is the warning of completing your copy work. I don't want you all to just call up again and again asking, ma'am, senior classes children are completing their copy work, they are getting internal marks, so we will get also. Yes, there is a chance. Why we are sending you? Because some of you are just seeing the PDF and closing. Why? Because objective type question answers. What is the use of it? Children, but we are sending you the question answers, so you have to complete it. Is it clear to everyone? I hope so. Okay. Let's start with the book exercise of Trip to Mars. Correct these sentences about the text. Let's see what's in that. Captain Jenner was a scientist. No, Captain Jenner was a Captain Jenner scientist? No, he was an astronaut. So page number 73. Page number 73. First one. It's given till was. Captain Jenner was an astronaut. And the captain of the spaceship. Okay. Second one. Captain Jenna wanted to collect water from Mars and see how different it was from the water from the Earth. Is that just water? Wanted to collect the water? No. Captain Jenna, she wanted to collect rock and soil from the surface of the Earth and bring them back with her to the Earth from the scientists to study them. So Captain Jenna wants to, till 2 is given, so after that you write collect rocks and soils from the surface of the Mars, surface of the Mars and bring them back with her back with her to Earth for the scientist I hope so it will fit here. I'm writing it down, children. If it's not visible, I'll read again. To study them. First you write the first one, I'm waiting, then I'll read the second one. Okay, I've seen in the camera it's quite visible, so I don't have to read it out, but still, an astronaut and the captain of the spaceship. Second, collect the rocks and soils from the surface of the Mars and bring them back with her to Earth for the scientists to study them. Okay? Now next. Third question is, it did not take very long for Captain Jenna's spacecraft to reach the Mars. No, it took is given. Yeah. No, it took. Third one. No, it took her a long time to reach Mars, as the planet is very far, from Earth. Okay. Now, fourth point. Where's the fourth question? Captain Jenna wore her regular suit and breathed the air on the mast freely. Is it? She used to wear it all the time. No. The answer is no. She wore a special space suit. Like what suit he used to wear as for the astronauts. That same suit he wore in the Mars also. No. Till what is given? No. She wore a special space. Special space suit. I think so that's enough. No, she wore a special space suit. Okay. And what else is given? And breathe the air. No. I have to give the rest also. She even carried an air tank on her back because she did not want to breathe, because she did not want to breathe in the dangerous air on Mars. In the dangerous air on Mars. Okay, just copy down this, children, all of you. Okay, now we will do the fifth one. I hope so you all have completed this. Children, in case if at any point your writing part is not over, you just pause the video. Okay, you just pause the video and tap once more. So this screen will be visible to you. You can write it down. Okay, you can stop and you can write. Okay, so I am rubbing this too. Then I will put a fourth and fifth. One. What is that? Sorry, not fourth one. Fifth and sixth. Fifth one. Captain Jenna observed that Mars is full of plain grassland. Is it? No, it was very rocky, right? Small hills were there. No, she observed that Mars was full of there is a space, children, you can write it there. Okay, Mars was full of large and rocky hills. Large and rocky hills. Sixth one. Captain Jenna knew the place from where she could dig the rocks because Kuro had told her about them. No, Kuro was a robot, right? No, Captain Jenna knew about the place from where she could collect the rocks and soil, because she had came along means earlier also with her friends, right? So till where it is given, places from where she could collect the rocks and soil, collect the rocks and soil, the rocks and soil, because friends had told her about them. Friends had told her about them. Okay, complete this, all of you. Now with this, only this part I am giving you all. With this we come to an end of our class. Okay, in the next video we'll proceed with the book exercise of the grammar part of it. Children, again and again I am telling you, and if you want to complete your work, you don't ask in the group. You take out the number personally and you can ask in that. Okay, complete your work and start learning it. Okay.